This question is from Yashwant, Hyderabad. He asks, what is the proof that Bhagavad Gita is not fictional?
Yes. So proof is that Bhagavad Gita is actually practical. You can experiment whatever is said in Bhagavad Gita because this is the knowledge everyone has to practice. So if you understand this Bhagavad Gita, if you study this Bhagavad Gita, then you can actually follow this Bhagavad Gita. You can practice this Bhagavad Gita. You can actually experiment and you can see the result. As Krishna says that, asantasya kutas sukham. When there is no peace of mind, where from happiness comes? So we can experiment. If the mind is not peaceful, we are not happy. And Bhagavad Gita teaches us about how to make our mind peaceful, how to control our mind, how to make our mind as our best friend. So Krishna is teaching us very, very clearly. So if we follow exactly what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, then we will be able to control our mind, then we will be very peaceful, and then we will be very happy. So whatever said in Bhagavad Gita, everything is a science. Everything can be practiced. It has to be practiced. Not only can be practiced, it has to be practiced. Then only we can free ourselves from this material bondage. So that way, Bhagavad Gita is not simply a fictional. It is everything is which you can experiment, which you can observe, which you can see, everything. Senses, mind, intelligence, soul, all those things Krishna is teaching us very, very clearly. So how one can get free from anger? Anger management. If a person understands this Bhagavad Gita, if a person is not attached to the sense objects, so then there is no more kama, no more krodha. There is no anger, no desire, no anger. Everything we can experiment. You can see that. If someone studies Bhagavad Gita, gets the complete knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, even if that person gets earlier, if he was very much angry for everything, you will be able to see the difference. And also you can observe if some person studies Bhagavad Gita and very peaceful, you can see that he will not have any high blood pressure or high heart rate or all those things. You will be able to see because you are so peaceful when you study Bhagavad Gita. Because you are not attracted or attached to the material sense objects, you are not affected by anything in this material way. So that way, everything given in Bhagavad Gita is very much practical. We can practice. We have to practice, and when we do that, you will be able to see the result. So that way, like Arjuna in the beginning of the battlefield, he didn't know what to do. He was not able to fight. He just was sitting and he set his bow and arrows aside. And after getting the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, he got motivated and he fought. So the same thing you can also observe, you can also experience. You get this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, understand Bhagavad Gita fully, and realize that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and then decide to act for Krishna. You will be motivated to act, and you will be able to do excellent performance in everything. You will be able to achieve so much with the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. So that way, this Bhagavad Gita is actually, it's a practical knowledge. So it is not just like a fiction or something. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.